What are you looking at? When you're making online content or you're on a Zoom call, are you able to look at your audience or are they just looking up your nose? I discovered this thing. It's called a PlexiCam and it's genius. It's this little shelf that hooks onto your monitor and it allows you to place your webcam anywhere you like. And because it's acrylic, you can see through it so that you can still see the content on your screen. So if you make online tutorials or videos like I do, or if you're on a Zoom call and you need to be able to read the documents that are being shown, this thing is brilliant. So they make them in a couple different sizes, depending on the size of your monitor, and you can get it with or without the little light here. It's just an acrylic shelf, but it's built really well and it's really well designed. Hello and welcome to your logistics video. I'm Valerie Pennington. Hopefully you saw my introductory video first. So if you're like me and you spend a lot of time talking to glass in front of your computer, check this thing out. This is not a sponsored video, but I do have an affiliate link below, so if you want to support the Penguin Prof channel, please check it out. For more videos like this, check out my EdTech playlist, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.